All right, so here's what we're gonna do. So I like to talk about multiple touch points within 60 seconds with a phone call, a voicemail drop, and a tag that sends out an email, a text message, and my booking link. So since now we don't have to wait for the beep on the voicemail, let's see how long this takes.
Thank you for calling. You reached my.
All right, just left a voicemail. I'm going to use my tag, left voicemail. Let's see here. We do left voicemail landing page. And voila. Here, you'll see a text message went out. My booking link went out. Then you also see an email that went out. Hey, John, I just left you a voicemail. So that's the new voicemail drop where you don't have to wait for a beep.